Yeah.
This is the website I made. It's on neurosurgery because I want to be a neurosurgeon when I grow up. So here you can sign in. I put a little bit of information on what neurosurgery is. I've got a few pictures here. I got 2 videos, 3 other websites you can look at, and then I have the where you need to contact us just in case something goes wrong with the website. And here's the currency where you can, if you like what you see, you can give us money. You can donate. That was my website.
Wow, that is really good. Well done for that. I can see that you've kind of used other forms that we did last week, so you've incorporated that in your website. That is good, and some lot of information about neurosurgeon. Well done. This is really cool. Well done for that. So we're going to kind of continue from there, so you'll be able to expand. So this is good. And also, you mentioned the donation part. We're still going to touch base on that one. We're still going to, I will teach you how to do that so that you can be able to actually get donations or from your website and everything. So that also is also possible. Okay. All right, cool. That is brilliant. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's continue. Okay. So the next person is Farida, please.
Can you see?
Yes, we can see now.
So I forgot to copy and paste my form, and then I inserted some fields, and I don't know why I did not say, because I pressed save, and then I put these fields, and then I press insert field, and then put everything here. But I forgot to copy and paste it to to one of my pages.
Okay, so if you don't save, it's also saved automatically in draft, actually. So, but you don't need to worry. If you already done it right now, that's okay. Okay. So do you want to show us the website, please? So the next time I'll show you how to get it if you have not saved, okay?
Which website?
The one that you've done now. Do you want to show us how it looks like?
Yes.
Okay.
Where is my website?
Do you know the title? You can search it at the top.
Yes.
Okay, can you,
This
at the
one.
top, can you put the title there? Press enter. Okay, cool. Okay, click on it. Click on view. Okay, yeah. Okay,
I
cool.
still keep on forgetting to do it. And then I put some facts about babies, toddlers, children, and then I did teenagers, but then I forgot to press updates.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So you've seen some of the challenges that developers face. So that always happen even if I'm at work. Actually, if I don't save my work, I might lose it. The other tools that developers are using right now that allows you to be able to recover your lost work. But you guys are not there yet, okay? But as you go along, you're going to see those tools.
And
But
then
this
the
is
other
good.
one that I said I would just show the next time. I showed the other lady that we were working with when you were in a meeting. and then it's one of these websites. It's this one or this one. I'm not sure which one it is because I made two because I thought my first website wouldn't save, so I made two.
Okay.
So I'll view this one to see if this is the one that I did. This one. What? Okay, so this is the one that I made. This was the one that I made afterward. So then I did it from their website because she's one of my other favorite YouTubers as well. And then I put pictures and then I put facts. It took me a very long time to finish this.
Okay. Well
And
done.
then I put 3 video links.
Okay. I've seen that you've kind of done a very good job here and lots of hard work. So this is really, really good. Well done for that. So for that, this is really, really improved.
This is the other website that I did not finish. This one. I did not finish it.
Okay.
But now I finish it. Now I finished it because I didn't know it was saved, so I had to. I'm trying to stop sharing.
Okay. All right. No problem. So I can.
I'm getting problems with stop sharing because this thing at the bottom is blocking my thing to stop sharing.
Okay. All right. So let me do that for you quickly.
Unless I can. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So I think we're going to go. Yeah, but that was good, Father. So I think you should show your parents. They will be proud of that. So you've got a lot of websites there. So well done for that, and also for the hard work that you put into it, which is good. So well done. And I know that as we go along, it's going to be better as you've started on a good note. Well done for that. So I mean, really, I'm very, very impressed. Yeah, well done. So okay. Let's go to Nisomachuku. Is that how to pronounce it? Sorry. Nisomachuku. Do you want to share your screen, please? If you are talking, we can't hear you. I know you are unmuted. So do you want to share your screen, please? Okay, let's move to Lalu, please.
Okay.
For those guys that are still looking for the link, I've sent it to your parents on Telegram so they can use it again, right?
So basically, this is my website for about arts. So basically, it tells you like the first steps and how to do it, and here's some videos, and there's like different types of art of how you do things, and like fashion or something. So and then there's like some drawings and there's some videos over here. if you want to like learn the first steps, and here's my form. So yeah, and that's basically my website for now.
Okay, cool. Well done. So you've added the form to contact you if someone wants to kind of get some of the clothing there, so you can actually, yeah. So like I said, maybe the next point is now, how can you sell those clothes, right? If you want to do them. So we're going to still continue with that. So, but well done. This is impressive, and I really like it. You've kind of improved on that. So well done for that. Yeah, good, everyone. Okay, all right. So that is good. Well done. Thank you. Okay. Okay, all right. So let's move to Kamsi. Kamsi, you got your answer.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, so I made my form. Yeah, I now made pictures of mathematicians, and I have 2 video links, which are here. I put instructions of how, like, if you want to become a mathematician in life, I put instructions of how you can become a mathematician. There's 2 video links, like if you want like simple maths that you can go and look at later if you want to. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, all right, cool. Thank you so much, Kamsi, for that. This is really good. So next week I want you to kind of improve on that to get, but this is brilliant. So maybe you should add some forms as well and everything. But I'm really impressed with what you've done. This is a cool website actually. So before you know, people can come to this site and learn anything about mathematics. Okay, so this is the starting point. You add a lot of things. Okay.
Yeah.
But well done, very well done for that. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to, okay, Miso Machuku, are you still there? So do you want to share your screen, please? Okay, Eliav, sorry if I don't pronounce that right. Eliav. Eliav is. Do you want to share your screen, please? So like I said, today we are going to build a website, and the website will be a bank website, close to a bank website. That's what we're going to do today. Okay, who's sharing the screen? Okay, Eliav. Okay, all right, cool. Do you want to show us your website? Oh, we can hear you, but if you are talking, that's fine. So, okay, all right. So I think if you go to the URL, okay, I'll send the URL. Have you done any? Okay, all right, that's fine. So if you go to the URL and let's see, you need to go to the URL of the site that you want to show. Okay, do you want to go to the website, please? Okay, we can't hear you. Okay, so maybe hello. So maybe we'll do it again next time. Okay, so let's do it next week. So when your mic is better, so I think we cannot hear you. So and I don't, yeah. Okay, I'm going to start sharing my screen now. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, okay. All right. So now what we're going to do today, we're going to try to create a website. Let's say this is a bank, hsbc.co.uk. This is a bank. We're going to try to create a similar website like this, right? We're going to pretend to do that. So right now we're going to leave the top one actually. So we're going to do something like this. But the first thing that I want to do is this particular image, right? So let's do that. I'm going to do it slowly, okay? So that you can follow me as I do it, okay? So, and the first thing that you need to do, okay? Go to pages, okay? Click on pages and click on add new, okay? We're going to add a new page, okay? So now I'm going to give my bank a name. So let's say I'm going to say welcome to AG General Bank. So you can do the same thing, put in your name. Yeah. So this is my website. I'm building this website for my bank. So, and I would also type a quick introduction. The General Bank is here to serve you. Our banking service is first class. Okay. Oh, okay. What did I do? Okay. All right. Cool. Okay. So now this is the bank. So, and let's first say if you have something like this now, right? So the first thing, let's say we'll copy this actually. So this one, I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Okay. So that is the bank, that's the bank website I'm trying to do. So the next thing I want to do is this particular image. I want to copy this image, right? This one at the back. So let me switch back this image. So right click on this image, right click on it and say copy image address. Okay, I'll do that again. Right click on this image and say copy image address. So once you copy the email address, go back to your website, and we want to copy the image here, okay? Click on the plus and click on the image, okay? And then insert from URL, okay? And you paste the image that you've done, right click and paste, and you press enter. Okay, as you can see, that is the image. Okay, so our own website hasn't got this pop-up on the top, but we have the text at the top, right? That's what we have. So now let's go continue. We want to do something like this as well, but let's leave this one for now. Okay, we will do this later, but let's do this, right? These 3 columns, right? These 3 columns. To do that, you can have another column created. Go click on here on the plus again, click on browse all, right? I've already got mine there anyway. So if you click on browse all, you can now scroll down to columns, right? You see where the columns is under design. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. So you go to the plus, right, where you have the type or choose a block. Okay, press it and click on columns. If it's there, you can click on it. If it's not there, you click on browse, then scroll down to the design part. So this is design, yeah, and click on columns. So click on that, you have this, right? Once you have this one, we have 3 columns in here, right? So you have 3 columns. So we have to do 3 columns section. So we click on this one. Okay, so by click on it creates these 3 sections for you, right? So you can click on the plus to add the block. So the first one that we want to add is the image, right? When you click on it, you want to add image, but we need to get the image first. So let's double click and say copy image URL. No, okay, yeah, copy image URL, copy image address, like that. Okay, copy image address. Ensure that that's what you are copying. You are not copying the page or the link address. You are copying image address. Okay, and then go back. So if you are, I'll do that again. Click on the plus, click on the image, and select from the URL and paste it. Okay, and then you press that. Okay, so that is the first image. Then the second image will do the same thing as well. Right click, copy image URL or image address rather, copy image address, go back and do the same thing. Image from URL and you paste, and that's it. I will do the one for the last one. Copy, no, sorry, not copy image, copy image address. So we do the same thing. Click on the plus, click on the image, insert from URL and paste and press enter. Okay, so we now have the images, right? So you could put some, you can do the same thing that we've done for these sections as well. We have 3 sections. So let's do another column. Okay, insert now another 3 columns and insert another one as well. So we now have 2 columns at the bottom of that. So now for this one, so we want to copy what's at the bottom of the image. So this one, copy, and you paste it here. So click on that and click on paragraph. Okay, So then paste what you've copied. Okay, that's it. Then go to the next one, copy this one as well. Then paste it again. Paragraph, paste, okay? And then the next one, copy that. And click on the plus, paragraph, and paste. So now we've got the two sections. We got the header, we got this section, we got this one, and that's it, okay? Now, another thing that you could do is, you can see this one has got an hyperlink one. When you click on it, it goes to a different page. Let's say, click on that, it goes to this particular page. You can copy this page that it actually goes to, copy that page and go to your website. I like that one and click on this. Okay, you paste it. Okay, so that your website is also linked as well, right? So you do the same thing. Let's go back now. So, and do the same thing for this one. In this one, I'll do a different method, okay? You can right click and copy link address now. It's the same way. If you click on it, it takes you to that particular address, or you can right click and say copy link address. So, and after you've done that, come here, highlight the text and click on the link, okay? Click on this button, okay? And it will, then you paste what you've copied. So that is the one I just copied, and you press enter or click on the submit button and do the same thing for that one, okay? So I will leave that one for now. We'll go to the next one. So the next one is this one. You can do the same thing for that. So, but yeah, let's just kind of do this section, okay? So we can do this section, just copy what you have there. Copy that and let's paste it here. Okay, so but it's not properly done, I think. Yeah, so we might have to copy one after the other. So copy that first and paste that. So then let's copy the 3 and see how it looks like. Okay, so we can separate it. Okay, so that is one. You can do the same thing for the other ones here as well. So let's say we copy this one and we paste it here. So you can see that is that. So you can separate it anyway. Okay. So you can do the same thing for this one as well. I'm not using everything, okay. Okay. So now let's see how our website will look like quickly before we break into rooms. Let's publish it, okay. Publish. And let's view the page, okay. So you can see that is that, okay. Let me stop sharing. I will put it in a bigger screen so that you guys can see properly.
Mr. Deji.
Yes,
I have
please.
a question.
Come see. Yeah.
What's
your question?
Do you remember like where you got all those pictures and images from?
Okay, I'll show you quickly.
How do you get it? Like,
okay, I'll show you 1 minute. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, please.
Do we have to just make a bank, or we can make whatever we want?
You can make whatever you want, actually, that's fine. So, but I just want to show you how a cool website like the bank website is done. As you can see, this is the site now. Can you see that? So it looks like, it looks similar to this one a bit, actually, but not totally the same, as you can see. So this is it, as you can see, yeah.
So how do we get this like site?
Okay. So this site is hsbc.co.uk. You can use any site. This is just an example. I'm going to send you. So I'll send the name of the site to you. So if you check the Telegram, okay, if you click on that, so yeah. So okay, so that is my own website, so which I've just kind of created now, as you can see. So you can also do the same thing, or if you want, you can go to Barclays, okay, and do the same thing. Or oh, sorry, that's wrong. And just try your hand on that, okay? Or let's say bbc.co.uk. Yeah, something like that also you could do, right? So yeah, so you can, yeah, try whatever you want. So this one also. So another thing that you could do before we go and break out into rooms is, this is also a cool thing that you can do. Let's go back to our page. You can insert another thing, browse, let's go here. So you see where we have the pattern, right? Click on the pattern. You can insert different pattern here. Actually, you can see if, let's say you have the footer, you have like this, you have something like that. You can decide which one you want, or something like that, or like that. You can see, so you can use different thing like that, actually. So for instance, let's say this one now, this one looks like two parts. We can do something like that using this one, right? Like that, right? So where you have the image and you have the text, right? So, or you have something like that, right? So you can do whatever you want with those things. Okay, let's do this, okay? Let's do this. So you can see, so let's say we want to do something like this at the top. So, and CAMSI to get the image, okay? Now, right click on any of the image you have on the internet, okay? Copy image address. That's what you need to do. Copy image address. So I've copied that. I want to use that image to replace this one, right? So I can delete that one. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me quickly. Hold on, let me undo that. So I need to change the image, replace, okay? So I want to replace that image. So I want to replace with, let's upload. Let's upload an image. Okay. So that is the image, right? So then we'll also go here and we'll change that. We'll change this one to what they put here. Okay, as you can see, so you can now change the font to whatever you want. I think if the font is like that, this one is a bit bigger. So let's say, okay, this one, I want that. So you can click on this to change the font. Yeah. So if you want like that, that's a small one. You want it to be bigger, that's a big one. And or you want it to be smaller. So whatever you want, you can change the font like that. Or you don't want to be bold, or you want it to be bold, or you want to be in italics, or you don't want it to be in italics. Whatever you want to do, you can do from there actually. And you got other things that you can do, strike it out or put image underline. So there are a lot of things that you could do here as well. So as you can see, so this one is a bit similar to what we have. And I think we'll also talk about background later, actually. So you can even put, this one already got background as well. So, and you can also do that as well. So, okay, that is one thing that we can do. So this is kind of our introductory to our banking application. As you can see, this is my application. This is my bank now. So yeah, so you can do whatever you want to do, okay? And yeah, so this is related to HSBC and Barclays together. So if you want, you can do the BBC as well. So any question, I'm going to break you into rooms now so that you can work together as a team and produce something, okay? Any question? Okay, so